Dito na kami sa bahay. Nakabalik na kami sa bahay. Tinawagan ko yung boys. What are you eating? Chicken steak. Where are you?
What you do there?
We
Trots?
just... here at Trots. All of you?
What were you doing?
We're going somewhere later. But we went outside to get some drink. Like this. We're going to...
What's Holly doing?
Holly's upstairs. Here. We got this one.
What is it?
Honey peach. And then we're going to Starbucks later.
What are you going to eat?
Nothing, I'm hungry.
Put that in the bin there.
Where's Kuya TJ?
Home.
Oh, he didn't come with you.
No, it's only trials tonight. It's only 3 races.
Yeah.
3 races. Okay. So you're not gonna be long. So did you vlog?
Not yet.
Sabi ko kasi mag-vlog siya kahit konti. Now, you should vlog now because you're at Trots. Huh? Umalis na siya. Whose horse is racing?
No, they're all new ones. There's Brett there.
Okay. Ayun yung pinsan niya. It's gonna start soon. Alright. Love you.
Bye, love,
Do you miss me?
Where's Holly?
Upstairs. Do you miss me?
Doing what?
With Lola.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever.
Hey.
Alright, I love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.
Bye.
It's alright, alright, alright. So blue, 저 하늘은 더 푸른 바다로. How deep it can be when you jump up. 힘껏 달려가. And now 두 발을 벌려.
See, traffic.
Where is it?
We're in Ortigas now. What's that? It smells so good. It's strong.
That's mushy.
Yeah.
Dive into the sunlight when you're down. Just dive into the sky high. 날아오를 시간. 어디론가 떠나고만 싶을 때도 you go. 기댈 곳이 없다거나 느낄 때도 Baby it's alright. It's alright, alright, alright. So blue, 저 하늘.
I know. We're going there.
Say wow.
Yeah.
Say wow.
Wow.
Thank you.
Where are we going?
Starbucks.
Yeah. What mall is this one? Mega Mall. SM Mega Mall. Come on, mother. Mother. Si Holly gusto niya mag-Jollibee. Ayan na si Jollibee. Gusto niya talaga Jollibee. Sa daming kainan dito, Jollibee talaga. And Starbucks. Ano siya sa tita niya. Naka-order na kami. Magbabayad lang dito sa cash. Ang haba ng pila. Si Holly tsaka si Mama and Tita. Yan, nandun na sila. Naghanap na sila ng upuan. Busy. Ito yung number namin. Hinihintay lang namin yung 20 to 30 minutes daw ang hintay. Matagal pa kasama si Mushi. Dito na yung order niya. Good? May rice pa siya. That's your rice.
Half wrap and half.
Okay. Ito sa akin, tsaka kay mother. Tapos na kami kumain. Ayan, so gusto mo yan, gown? Oo. Hanap daw si mama ng damit. Sige na, mother. Ayan ma, terno. Gusto niya padis-padis. So, yan, may green ma. Tapos, sukatin mo.
Uncle.
Okay, habang nagsusukat si Lola.
49 to 12.
Ha? You want long? No. You don't like this?
Short ones.
Yeah, but in the Philippines, you can wear short one.
Long ones for school.
Yeah, for school.
We have long.
Okay, long one. That's too long.
Two.
Lead ka.
Okay. Yung tapang... Eto.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
47 yan, ma'am.
7 to 9. Okay. This... Is that alright?
So you want this month?
No color.
Only white.
Only white. Yeah, that one? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Nasaan si Lola? Si Lola. Nakakuha siya ng ano? Ano ma? Kasha? Ayan. Tingin-tingin daw siya. Ayan, magayon. Hiling nga be. Pailing mo ma. Magaya. So, ito yung first malling natin. Si Lola may napili na doon. Na gusto niya. Yung pangalawang sinukat niyang nagustuhan tayo sa una. Hello po. Ano? Okay.
Dito ba dapat lang?
Pili pa si mother. Meron na siya nakuha. Ayan, magayon. Sukatin mo, Anma.
Check ko po.
Gusto sana ni mama kaso walang large. Small to eh.
Dito tayo sa dulo kasi dun yung siya.
Ha? Ganda! Ano bang size mo? Ito nga maganda din, oh. Maganda. Go. Give it to Lola. Large. Yeah. Magayon ko kung rahala ba. Baka hiling ka ng tulak mo.
This one's medium. Mom, this one's
Dahil ka cover. Dapat cover ka. Oh, yan. Magayon. Magayon ang tela, ma. Anong size? Dahil mo na pagilingon ang presyo. Dapat large ka ma para pareho doon.
medium.
I-try mo bago mo i-try mo.
Mom, this is
Maganda, press ko ang ano.
Mom, this is medium.
Oh, yeah. Kaya nga. It's too short po, Lola. Abot na makabundat kami. Ay, dai. Dai kaya. Hindi masara. Hindi kaya. Hindi kasya. Maganda sana. Hindi. Extra large. Hindi mag-abot yung yung butones. Madami pa tayong pagpipilian. Tara.
Hey, Mom.
Maganda bang ano niya? Ay, parang Makati Mother. Yung pabalon ma. There. Ano, ibang size. Yung white magayon ma. Dito tayo sa women casual. It's up to Lola, whatever Lola wants. Ayun, may mga pants ma, oh.
There's this
Ayaw mo
one
na
and
ng
there's
pants. Gusto mo shorts? Sige.
Miss?
that one's excuse me. This one. Anong size?
Large, extra large. Ano yung pinakamalaki mo dyan?
Miss Anna.
Oo, magagandang kulay. Ayun, magayon ang mang white.
Mom, what else down here?
Extra large.
Ma'am, check ko.
Ay, eto be, meron. Ayan ma, oh, magterno-terno ka na lang. This is large. Ayan, magayon man ma. Magpartneran mo ng shorts na white or brown.
What about this one?
May green na top siguro. O yan na white. Sa white mo i-terno. Magandang, ano niya, maganda. Papili kang, sabi mo, pwedeng pakuha ng bago niyan. Kasi ang ano na. Oh, walang tumulong, so siya na lang. Wala, busy si ate. Ayan.
I got some over here.
Ito yung gusto ko rin. For me, maganda siya, oh.
I like the one.
Yeah, I like this. Kuha tayo nito. Ano siya? Balino. Balino large. Ang size ko large. Yeah, that's nice too. Maybe I'll get some. Okay, can you hold this for mom? Ah, ang dami.
I'll be the car. I'll be the car.
Cart, okay. Meron din akong mga napili.
So you ended up getting clothes. And you said you didn't want clothes.
I
And
know.
then you ended
But
up.
this one looks
It's
na.
too pretty though.
Yeah. Si mama. Nasaan na si mama? Ayan, oh. My short and my long. Pakita ko sa inyo mama. Nasaan ang lola? Dito lang si lola eh. Kuha kami ng cart. And there's basket there too, Baba. Okay, get 2 basket. Yeah, that one, Baba. Get 2. Okay, put this one. Okay, come on. I'm gonna find Lola and Tita.
This is long. That's medium.
Okay, this one. Oh, alin dyan? Maganda yung white. Tingin ko nga yung white. Maganda. Ha, may damage? Ask mo si ate, baka may stock. Ask mo si ate. May new stock ha? Siya, pakuha po ate. Thank you. Tsaka yung white. At tsaka white din. Maganda nga. Sabi ko, kumuha din siyang blue. Size small, sew-in. Hanap siya ng candies. Gusto niyang sew-in eh.
Mom, where's it?
Okay? You like that design? Okay.
Can we go this way?
Okay. I-meet natin si Lola sa Cashier 37. Come on. Okay, bye na tayo. Nasaan si Lola? Where's Lola and Tita? Nagana pa siguro. Okay. We're gonna wait for them here. May nakikita pa siya.
Wait.
Kuha siya ng itong cinnamon roll. Okay, come on. Come on. Alis na kami, ma. See you. Bye, ma. Maglilinis daw siya ng SM.
Ma'am, eco bag na.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I change it, Mom?
Essence at saka yung isa pa.
Mom, can I quickly change it?
Okay, hurry up.
Sa kanila. Okay.
Hurry up. Oo. Oo. Madulas na tiles.
Don't run, don't
No run now, baby. No run. Madulas. It's alright. Ah, iba. Okay, thank you. Mabalos. Di mo na kaya. Yung sandals mo pa. Kaya? Okay. Kakayahon mo. Ngayon sandals naman kay mother. Shopping galore ang mama ko tonight. Kahit ano ma. Kahit anong gusto mo. Dapat ang kunin mo, magbagay doon sa lahat ng mga kinuha mo. Lima. Ay, piot. Bakoan. Maganda siya kasi Parisian. Maganda yung brand. Ayan, maganda din. Yung white din nga, maganda ma eh. Ayaw mong white? May white ka na? Ayan, maganda. Pero kung hanap ka ng mas malaking size, ask ka. Hindi. Kasi labas yung ano eh. Labas hindi. Dapat hindi labas yan. Ask ka. Tanong tayo. Yan bang gusto mong kulay? Etong kulay ate. Wala na. Matagal na. Wala na daw na size niyan, ma. Ito nga, maganda rin ang kulay nito. Ayun, may puti ka na, no? Ito kasi maganda rin, oh. May puti ka na. Hindi rin. Hey, come on. Hanap tayo ng sandal ni Lola. Maganda yung brand na yun, ma. Huni, magayon man, ma, oh. Maganda din, oh. Ayaw mo nito? Maganda. Maghanap kang iba.
Too small.
Ay, maganda, oh.
Too small.
Ito yung kay, flip-flop ni Heart.
Try. Try, Mom.
No?
No, you don't want to.
Magaan lang pala to. Ay. Ha? Ay, ito. Nakapalo naman siya. Dito, ma. Gusto mo ganyan? Maganda din. I-try mo. Dapat size 8 ka, huwag kang kukuha ng 7. May size 8 ka niyan, ate? Okay na, huwag mo na huwag naman. Ayaw nga, tama. Sige. Papa, na ate, patulong na lang. Ay, ganda. Ay, maganda siya, ma.
I told you, mama,
Okay. Yan na, ma. Ganda ng kulay.
Maliit ko ba malaki, ma? Hindi,
Gusto ko yung
Walang
Allowance.
Anong size yan, ate?
Itong isa mo.
Yung sinukat niya. So iba-iba depende sa brand.
Depende sa style.
Yan.
One.
Ayan, yan na lang. May kulay.
Sige, ito wala akong 6. Yan lang.
Wala. Maganda sana yun.
Kaya mo lang siya.
Uy, yun. Ano yun?
Ito 6.
Ayan, try mo yan.
Yan.
Ayan, gusto mo yan, ma?
Maganda, ma'am.
Okay, so sige yan. Ano sabi mo, ma?
Mahal.
Sabi ko, wag siyang tumingin sa presyo. Hindi. Yung mga damit niya, kung tumingin to sa presyo, hindi niya yung kukunin. Yeah, okay, you can open it now. Huwag na magayon man nga ni mo. Dapat sa... Ha?
Oh, I want the cinnamon roll.
Okay.
Hot chocolate.
Okay. Okay, try mo.
Mom.
Ay, maganda din. Bet ko din. Kunin mo rin yan, ma. Okay. Kunin mo yan, ma. Karomi? Yeah, maganda, ma. Ask ka ng size. Isa pa. Hindi, ayoko kasing lumalabas yung ano mo. Ay, maganda rin yan, ma. Bet ko din yan sa'yo. Ha? Mayo mo ko sa bitis? Oo.
Try mo. Mag-ian.
Ang gaan nito. Ay, ang ganda nga.
Gayon mo sa bitis mo, Chu.
Ang ganda, oh.
Dito na, Eileen.
Pero kunin mo rin to. Para dalawa. Medyo ano dapat mama o kasi labas ang upsize ka nito. Kunin mo yan. Maganda yan. Sabi ko kasi isama mo, ayaw niya, di ba?
Lebento daw.
Okay, eto na lang kasi
Kasi maliit ang size nito.
yan, maganda rin yan para sa kanya.
Para makumam. Ay, kabalo. Wait lang ma'am.
Thank you. Dito naman tayo sa Ace Hardware. Opo. Thank you. What you gonna say? No. Konti. Nakakaintindi.
Ganda niya mo.
What you gonna say? Salamat. Yan ba yan? Ayan, thank you. Ay. Kuha kong dalawa. Please, thank you. Para sa charger mo rin.
Siya lang mo, siya kapatid.
Dalawang lalaki.
Wow. Ay, siya po yung bunso?
Opo. Tubig. Naka-connect, Baba.
Anong size ba nito?
What size are you? 12. I think it's too big, Baba. No. You have to push it up. Sige. 13 kasi siya sa amin eh. Ayan, try mo, Holly.
What size is that?
13.
I see? Go.
Walk.
I see.
Maybe that one.
Yung mas
Yung,
malaki.
blue. I think that one. The blue one. Ito yung next, kuya.
Pwede niya.
Sige. Okay, yan na lang.
Yeah, that one is up.
Do you like that one? Okay. You want that cherry? Yeah, that blue one if you want. Oh, cause favorite color niya ngayon yan, blue. Gusto mo mag-ano dyan? Ang ganda ng Mega Mall. Christmas decor. Ito yung Christmas decor dito sa Mega Mall. Ito yung front ng Mega Mall. Uwi na tayo. Tupad din yung kanyang gusto. Huh? There, Baba. You tell them what you want. Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Hoy, Baba, here, hold. There, Baba. That's the one you want, the pink one. Nahanap nila yung gusto niya.
Want a cake pop?
What?
Want a cake pop?
No.
You don't have
Nakapili na siya. What you gonna have?
strawberry and cream.
And itry natin yan na chocolate pistachio.
That's like the one in my room.
Yeah, huh?
That's like the one in
Oh, yung ensaymada.
but extra.
Extra. That's
And
too
it's
much.
triple
Yeah.
cheese.
Wala tayo ng chocolate pistachio cream bar.
Chocolate. Want that? Strawberry and cream.
Thank you. Yeah.
Sitting down.
Okay.
750 na lang po.
Okay. Ma, okay kainin mo. Take out na lang yung ating mag-alas 12 na. Chona, right? Thank you. Meron na siyang straw. You're right.
Okay.
Bigay ko na to kay Holly.
Okay. Andiyan si Tito.
Ito sa'yo. Ito kay Jerome. Nasaan yung straw niya? Para mainom niya na sa car. Tapos iyan, inumin mo na yan. Mag-sip na lang ako sa'yo mamaya. Here's yours, Holly.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bahay na kami, guys. Ay. Try ko yung binili kong adapter.
What's the adapter?
Adapter yung the socket with the charger.
Mom, what happened?
I know. Tingnan nyo na.
How'd that happen?
I'm not sure. Hindi niya naubos.
Too sweet.
Put in too sweet for me. Ang oras is 12:16 na, guys. 12:16. Bukas ko na lang ipakita yung mga pinag-shopping ni Mother. Kasi late na. Mag-hotbat si Holly kasi ang init. Tapos ako din. Ay, may upload pala akong vlog. Yung part 2. Kanina may na-upload ako. Yung part 1.
It's dead like ice, like.
Yung part 2 naman. So ngayon, matcha-charge ko na rin yung ano niya.
Not on guys. It's fine. Just need mine to be at 50. Because later on the day, I don't use it because we go somewhere. But I used it yesterday. I charged it like
Try ko lang kung tama.
Eight
Pero tama
o'clock.
naman yung ating ano.
4 a.m.
I-check lang natin. Bawal tayo
Please
mag-yan.
go in there. Unbox.
Oh, gusto niya mag-unbox ng binili niya. What did you buy? Sanchuro?
Sunny.
Hindi ko rin alam. Basta something.
But there's like cinnamon roll,
Oh.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
This is the one
Ano
I
ba
got.
tawag? Sanrio, I think.
Sanrio.
Yeah. Sanrio.
This is Karomi. This is the one I got my first packet. I just opened one. I couldn't wait.
Sabi ko, bukas niya na lang ipuksan yung iba. Meron pa siya nung nasa box. Ito yung maliit na nabili niya. Ano to? 200 pesos?
For that one thing.
Yeah. And then the other one is parang pa 500 na yung nasa box. Medyo malaki. Nakuha mo, ma? Kaya na sa ano mo, di mo papig-inom. Inom mo na ito.
Hindi dua.
Isa lang. Okay. Thank you.
Ini, din, ini.
Do you want me to open this one?
Parehas?
Oo. Ay, hindi. Kay Pong ko din yan. Si Mama, binakalan ko rin siya na Java frappe sa
No.
Okay. Ito yung Akari Universal Adapter. Okay. Send Mama, ini-try ko isa siya. It works. Okay, good. Okay, close the vlog na, Baba. Just going to bed.
Thanks for watching. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good
Good night, guys.
night.
What do you think about Mega Mall pala?
Massive.
Massive.
Fun.
And tell them.
Tasty.
Anong tasty?
Jollibee. It's tasty.
Oh, Jollibee.
Tasty.
No, the Mega Mall, the shopping center. What do you think about it?
Big. Ginormous.
Okay. How about the Christmas decor?
Decorations.
Huh?
Decorations.
The Christmas decor.
Pictures.
No. What do you think about it?
Lovely.
Lovely. Pretty.
A lot.
A lot. Massive.
Yeah, massive. It's big.
Christmas tree.
Yeah, the Christmas tree.
First time niya makakita ng ganun eh.
Christmas
Nice.
tree is higher than the roof. It's like half of the second floor.
Yeah. Oo. Ano siya? Na-fascinate siya. May mga
Oh,
picture.
it's also
So yun na guys, antok na talaga ako. Thank you, please. Good night.
Night.
May i-post ko yung isang vlog. Okay, good night guys.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.